So today I wanted to run over with you kind of what Mike was talking about in terms of quality. So there's quality in just general design, and what that means is there's features that we design to make it durable, and that could be gussets, reinforcement, just general design of how things come together. As an example, on this grapple, we do a hole and a tube pass through, so you always get more strength when you do a pass through than if you do just a butt weld to something like that. And of course, this grapple being solid, it's got multiple bends in it, it's got welds, and everything together kind of holds it together as one solid unit. The forks on the cylinder, again, there's a hole cut. They wrap on the bottom side of this, so the only way to rip it off is to rip the entire piece behind it, which is virtually impossible. And then as we come back to on this grapple specifically, we've got a stop here. So when you go to open, it hits that stop. So again, it's just taking pressure off of your cylinder if something were to push against it when it's all the way open. And then in terms of our tines on this one, they're a one-piece tine. So we do one piece as much as possible. And the one piece obviously has got greater strength. We've got the tube passing through and the cut edge, which again is a zippered cut edge. So all of that is tying together to make one unit. And so there's a lot of fatigue that you don't see. And when you can make things a single piece, a single unit, that in order to bend it, you've got to bend three other things with it. It makes it super strong. As we come back to our clam grapple, our CCG clam grapple, same thing. I always call it a spider web design or a lattice design. In order to bend this grapple, you would have to bend virtually all three of these tubes and all four of those slats together. So it'd take a lot of strength to bend it. It is possible, but again, pretty impossible on the horsepower range that we recommend it for. And there's little things here where the cylinder hooks up. We've got, some reinforcement there so these ears, don't bend, because anytime that you're going to bend something, it goes to path of least resistance. You think the grapple is going to be the first thing to bend. If they can't bend the grapple, then this pin might start twisting. So then you got to follow the whole series back, and we've done that. And it's double plated here for that same reason. So it makes these ears stronger. So everything is just held together as more or less one continuous unit. And what I'd say is, in this market, what our goal is when we do a rating, we're try to be conservative in our rating. Our focus and our goal is when we tell you a product is rated for your machine, we want you to be able to go out and do anything that machine can do and not have to worry about our grapple. We want it to be able to work to the limitations of the machine so you can do any job that machine is able to do.